Hello, fabulous female entrepreneurs. Are you feeling a little bit of stress, perhaps because we're entering into the fifth month of the year 2026 and you're not exactly where you would like to be? Well, I have an invitation for you, so listen up and check it out and see. I don't know if this is for you, but if you're open minded to checking it out, here it is. When you visit evds.com, that is me, EVDS, financial empowerment speaker, financial trauma healing specialist, and author, you're going to see that for the first week of May, we are celebrating as a community of fabpreneurs or financially free fabpreneurs, Small Business Week. We are doing a women's workshop series, and you can join us for free. And here's what you do: you simply click on this image for evds.com, and you're going to land here. This is the page that tells you all about our Fabpreneur Small Business Week Women's Workshop Series. And this is all about helping you to easily attract clients and manifest money in 5 days. So, my question for you is: are you willing to give yourself just 2 hours a day to learn how to attract clients and manifest money in 5 days? Why am I being so bold to say that? Because this is a workshop series, and I did it like that intentionally so that you can have every day for about 2 hours something that you're going to learn and put into practice for the remainder of that day. So please check it out. Here you can add it to your calendar. It's happening in just 5 days. All you have to do to join for free is put your best email address, your name, and your phone number so that you can be notified and reminded about when we're going live. If you want to visit the page, you can read some of the content or listen to me reading it for you, making it really easy, talking a little bit about why I am doing this, specifically what I'm sharing, because we're also going to have other guest speakers. And then, so you get a bit of an idea, we are planning and intending to run by this type of schedule. So this gives you a bit of an idea. We're going to do some speed networking, some intention setting. The program and special guest speaker will speak. Then we'll do Q&A hot seat coaching sessions, a little bit of speed networking. Then I'll do a presentation, and then again we'll do some Q&A or hot seat coaching. You can listen right here to some
Yeah,
of
so
the previous attendees to our most recent event, which happened in March at our International Women's Day event, so that you can hear for yourself what women that attended that event thought about the event, and you can get a feel for the type of events that I like to host. Here's a little bit about me, and of course, you can find out more about the experiences, reviews, and testimonials of other women just like you by checking out my 5-star Google rated reviews. And of course, there are some more testimonials for you. Check it out today. Like I said, you can begin simply by going to evds.com. And as I mentioned, you have a choice. You can go right into that image and click there, or you can click here or any of these images. The event is happening Monday, May 4th through Friday, May 8th. I look forward to seeing you. Bye for now. Bye.